Best tools for publishing post content in WordPress, Shopify, and any page builders. Copying content from Google Docs or any other text editor can add underlying code which is unnecessary. This can affect the style and format of our content. In this video, I will show you how you can use these tools to format your post content properly. As you notice, there are additional styles and unnecessary white space. We can remove this manually, or we could use a tool. Let's change the title text case. Go to titlecaseconverter.com to format the title. Let's remove this content first. Now, let's clean the post content. Copy the post content again. Head over to wordhtml.com. Paste in the content. Go to the HTML tab and hit Clean. Copy the new cleaned content and paste it into the Text tab in your WordPress text editor.
Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more.